Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make popcorn slime. So first you need some white glue. I recommend Glue All because it's stronger and it just makes a better popcorn slime. About that much is good. And then you want to add some yellow because it's popcorn slime. I'm actually about to run out of yellow, so I might have to use some pigment. Okay, then after you've added your yellow, you're gonna mix it. And it's not the best yellow. Gonna make it a little bit darker by adding some pigment. I know you're not supposed to add pigment into white glue slime, but I don't really have a choice here. I'm going to try to get the last little bit of paint out of here, because I don't know if there's even any more. Do you guys see any more? And I might just like clean it out with some slime. Okay, and then after you've done that, you want to activate it, but you want to keep it sticky. And if you already activated it, that's okay, just add some lotion, because you want to be able to stick the packing peanuts in. So now that I've started to activate it, and you can see that Glue All is much harder to activate, yet it makes a better slime. If you notice, sorry. And you add some more activator. And you want to add this very gradually if you're using Glue All, because even if it's not your first time, still just add it gradually because you want to keep it sticky. Even with normal glue, just keep the slime sticky because you're really going to pack it in with packing peanuts. That's a little too sticky. This is actually one of my favorite recipes, and if you want, you can also make like a chewed bubblegum sort of looking one if you add pink instead of yellow, which is what I did. And then I was like, how about you make a popcorn version of this? Yeah, this is very sticky. Activator, please, Cammy.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, that's good. If we overactivate it, we can always add lotion. Sorry, there's like a police car. Police car. Okay, this is really sticky, okay? But there's still some activator. Okay, so you can see how it's starting to thicken up after I've kneaded it. And I'll keep it about maybe this sticky. Then you're gonna get your packing peanuts. Packing peanuts. Now this part's actually really satisfying, so I would listen. So right now it sort of looks like strawberry lemonade. Seriously? My feet like this fell. Okay. I might even add a little bit of orange just to make it like a little bit like, I might add a little orange to make it a little more buttery looking. Yeah. So like as you can see, the color of the packing peanuts is still showing, but don't worry, after you get them all crushed in, it'll look better. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my orange paint, which I didn't think I would need. Or candy can, yep. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just a tiny bit to give it a more buttery look, you know? There's lots of birds out right now. If you overactivate it after you've added the packing peanuts, don't worry, it's okay. And no, these don't have peanuts because I'm also allergic to peanuts and I'm still using them. So if you didn't know, they do not have peanuts. Zoom in a little. Okay, there. Yeah, this looks better. More buttery. Maybe zoom out a little. You make sure that you mixed in the paint if you add it like after, like I did. Okay, gonna add this yellow from the cap. Okay. And then like, since if you make bubblegum slime, it'll be a lot easier than this because like the packing peanuts I have are pink and the bubblegum slime is pink. So I don't know what the neighbors are doing. That's okay. This is a lot thicker and this is really good. Okay. It's turning out well so far. Okay, I'm gonna add about, I don't know, some more packing peanuts, maybe about this many. If you didn't see my ASMR video from yesterday and you actually really like me crushing the packing peanuts and these sounds, go ahead and watch it because lots of that video is me doing this. So do you think it's starting to pull together and look like popcorn? Your guys's might even look a little better than mine. Oh, it's not focused. Okay, because like you might have a better yellow, but I already told you my yellow, it's nearly at the end. Because it's actually an older paint and I used it for painting before I started doing slime. And then if yours turns a bit tough like mine, just add some lotion, you know. Nothing wrong with that. Then you can add more packing peanuts or just keep it like this. You could even add glycerin if lotion wasn't working for you. But I would just stick to lotion. And there will be another slime tutorial coming out today. if you can't make this slime, then there will be another one coming out. Okay, now that this is pretty much mixed in, I'm gonna add just a little bit more lotion. Okay, wait. Come on, lotion. Getting to the end of this lotion. I don't know what's going on. Okay, that's enough lotion, I guess. And then like if you want to keep it stretchy, then I wouldn't add as many packing peanuts as I did. Should have said that earlier. Or if you did add as many as I did and you want to keep it stretchy, just add lotion. And obviously some of your guys' popcorn slimes are going to look a lot better. But I just wanted to put a tutorial out there for you guys to follow. And yeah, let's go play with it inside. Okay, let's play with it inside. See what it's actually like. And I can also show you guys what the bubblegum slimes look like. Sorry, other slimes are on the table. Okay, so here's our popcorn slime. And I think that it looks very, very, very nice. And I recommend this recipe if you guys you wanted to make like a food themed slime. You could even make like a watermelon slime with this recipe. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys the bubblegum one. The bubblegum one is a lot more stiff. But as you can see, has many more packing peanuts too. Yeah. But back to the popcorn one. See, before it just looked like a bunch of pink globs were in it. And after you got it all mixed in, it's perfect. So I will see you guys next time.